All right, now we're going to dive in to the Workflow Secrets properties dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. The listings location dashboard is a dashboard for all of those agents who are looking to better understand how all of their efforts are scaled across any given area, any given city, state, or location. This is great for understanding and establishing area expertise, and integrating with Google Maps gives you the ability to see on a heat mapped form where all of those different listings are compounding so that you can better understand who you are most effectively serving. Because it does integrate with Google Maps, one of the really cool things you can do is pick and drag the little stick figure individual and drop them in areas to see how all of those different areas look currently so that you can better understand what the individual areas, locations, or properties that you've been working with have compounded over time. Now, the last really cool feature that you can do in this listings location dashboard is up on the top right-hand side. There is a drop-down menu so you can sort by any given date range to better understand how those listing location heat maps have changed over time. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out. Help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. But we will see you very shortly.